Hi, welcome back to another Pinocchio tutorial. In today's video you'll learn how to remove backgrounds from videos and images. First, open the Pinocchio app. If it's not installed yet, check our previous video for setup. Once you're inside, tap on Discover and search for Matte Anyone. Tap Download, wait a few minutes. Now hit Install button. After installation, you'll get a link to launch the tool, or you can use the Web UI option for convenience. Now, let's start with removing the background from an image. Upload your image, then tap Send to Masking. To build a mask, tap on the object once, then tap again to complete it. Once done, hit Save Mask, and tap on Image Matting. After a few seconds, you'll see two outputs, one with the foreground and another as the alpha matte. Tap the download icon to save your results. Now let's try the same process with a video. Upload your clip, then tap Send to Masking. Create your mask, and once ready, tap on Video Matting. It might take a few minutes, but the final result is worth it. Need to redo your mask? Just tap Clear Clicks to reset. You can also extract specific objects from your footage. For example, let's say I want to isolate the glasses in my video. I'll tap on them to create a mask, hit Save Mask, and then run Video Matting. In seconds, the object is perfectly separated. This tool even lets you mask specific video frames. Moreover, you can view or delete any saved masks. Just tap the cross icon to remove what you don't need. Let me show you a quick example. I've masked the left side character and saved it. Now I'll do the same for the right side character. With both masks saved, I can extract both characters from the scene, which is perfect for editing. And now, our output is ready. Let's check it out. Perfect. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more powerful AI tutorials.